A blessed day to everyone. In this video, you will be learning about proving triangle inequality. In your previous lesson, you learned about triangle congruence and how to prove congruence in two triangles. Now, you will be proving inequalities in single triangle or two triangles, using also the two-column proof. Since alam nyo na kung paano gamitin yung two-column proof, mas magiging madali na lang to sa inyo ngayon. Okay? Pero bago yan, balikan muna natin yung mga important terms, mga properties, theorems, or concepts na kakailanganin natin sa pag-prove ng triangle inequality. So here they are. The first one is the reflexive property. It states that any real number, angle, line segment, or shape is always congruent or equal to itself. For example, 1 is equal to 1. Angle A is equal to angle A. Line segment AB is equal to line segment AB. Okay? So, yun yung reflexive property. So, alam nyo na yan kasi na-discuss na rin yan sa previous lessons ninyo. The second one is the substitution. The substitution property says that if x is equal to y, then in any true equation involving y, you can replace y with x and you will still have a true equation. So, pwedeng palitan nyo yung x ng y kasi equal lang din naman sila. For example, since x is equal to y and x is greater than 0, then y is also greater than 0. Okay? Halimbawa na lang, pag yung value ng x is 1, syempre, since x is equal to y, 1 din yung value ng y. So, 1 is greater than 0, and 1 is also greater than 0. Nakukuha ba ang substitution property? Okay. Next one is the isosceles triangle theorem. Alam niyo na kung ano ang isosceles triangle, right? Isosceles triangle is triangle that has two equal sides, okay? So, sa isosceles triangle theorem naman, if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then angles opposite those sides are also congruent. So, yung opposite angle ng two sides na yon na equal din yung two opposite angles nila. So, ito yung illustration natin. Okay? Line segment AB and line segment BC are equal. So, it is an isosceles triangle. Yung opposite ng line segment AB, which is angle C, at yung opposite ng line segment BC, which is angle A, equal din sila pareho, yung angle A at angle C. Okay, next, we have here the vertical angle theorem. So, napag-aralan nyo na kung ano ang vertical angles. Vertical angles are formed by two intersecting lines. So, pag sinabi nating vertical angle theorem, if two angles are vertical, then they are congruent. They are equal. So, this is the illustration. Ayan, angle Y at angle Y are vertical angles. So, pag ito, 50 degrees yung measurement, 50 degrees din yung measurement nito. Kasi, equal sila. Always equal ang vertical angles. Ayan. Pag ito naman, halimbawa, ang angle X na to, ay ang measurement niya is 130 degrees. 130 degrees din yung measurement dito sa baba. Nakuha ba ang vertical angle theorem? Okay. Next is the hinge theorem. Ayan, binabalikan lang natin na nagre-recall lang tayo. So, ito yung illustration natin. So, dalawang triangles, okay, na kung saan yung two sides nila ay magkapareho. So, dito meron tayong line segment AH is equal to line segment CK. Line segment HB is also equal to line segment KD. So, sa hinge theorem, magbe-base tayo dito sa angle dito. Ayan. Makikita nyo na mas malaking angle to kaysa sa isa. So, ibig sabihin yan, kung mas malaking angle to, yung opposite side niya ay mas mahaba naman kaysa sa isa dito, sa unang triangle. Nakuha ba ang hinge theorem? At pag converse hinge theorem naman, mag-base naman tayo dito sa side. Kung mas mahaba tong side na to, mas malaki din yung opposite angle niya. At kung mas maliit ito, tong side dito, mas maliit din yung angle dito sa opposite niya. So, itong hinge theorem at converse hinge theorem ay magagamit sa pag-prove ng inequalities sa dalawang triangles. At pag single triangle naman, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, parehas lang din yung concept, no, sa hinge theorem at converse hinge theorem. So, meron tayong tinatawag na side angle inequality theorem. So, in a triangle, so single triangle lang, the angle opposite the longest side is the largest angle. So, ito yung illustration natin. Ano ba yung longest side natin? It's line segment BD na may measurement na 5 units. Ayan, 5 units. So, yung opposite angle niya, ayan, which is angle C, yun din yung may pinakamataas na measurement compare sa dalawang angles na angle B at angle D. Okay? Ayan. So, ito, yung shortest side natin is line segment BC na may measurement na 3 units. At yung opposite angle niya, which is angle D, yun naman yung pinakamaliit ang measurement sa mga angles natin. Nakukuha ba ang side angle inequality theorem? Okay. Next one is the angle side inequality theorem. So parang kabaliktaran lang din siya ng side angle inequality theorem. Converse kumbaga. So in a triangle, the side opposite the largest angle is the longest side. So magbe-base naman tayo sa measurement ng ating mga angles. So ano ba yung may pinakamataas na measurement sa angle natin? It is angle B. Yan, meron tayo ditong angle B na yung measurement niya is 65 degrees. At yung opposite side niya, which is, ayan, meron tayo ditong line segment AC. So, ito yung may pinakamahabang side. Okay? At yung may pinakamababang side naman ay, mag-base naman tayo dito sa shortest angle or smallest angle. At yung opposite niya, which is line segment BC, yun din yung may pinaka mababang measurement. Nakuha ba? Ayan. Okay, next. Balikan natin kung ano yung exterior angle kasi kakailanganin din natin to sa pag-prove ng inequalities sa triangle. So, an exterior angle of a triangle is formed by any side of a triangle and the extension of its adjacent side. At ang exterior angle theorem naman, it states that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two remote or opposite interior angles. So, ito yung illustration natin dati, okay? So, ito yung exterior angle natin, yung angle D. Equal siya sa sum ng angle A at angle B. Nakuha ba? Ayan. At tandaan na yung exterior angle natin ay mas malaki lagi kaysa sa measurement ng angle A at angle B. Okay, for example, angle D is greater than angle A at angle D is also greater than angle B. Nakuha ba? Ayan. So, umpisahan na natin kung paano ba mag-prove ng triangle inequalities. For first example, ito yung ating given. Triangle DEF ay isosceles triangle where line segment DE and line segment DF are equal. So, parehas yung kanilang measurement. Okay. Ang goal natin is to prove line segment DG, ayan, line segment DG is greater than line segment DE. Ayan. Okay. So, in proving geometric statements, it is always important to develop a plan before devising a formal proof. So, pagplanuhan muna natin kung ano yung mga steps or mga statements and reasons na ilalagay natin dito para ma-prove yung line segment DG is greater than line segment DE. Huwag lang basta lagay ng lagay. May step by step yan, okay? So, ang first statement natin ay yung given mismo. Yung triangle DEF is isosceles where line segment DE is equal to line segment DF. At ano yung reason natin dito? Automatic na yung reason natin is given. Ang next statement natin ay magbe-base tayo mismo sa given. Ayan. So, ang next statement natin ay the measurement of angle 3 is equal to the measurement of angle 2. Tingnan natin. Yung angle 2 at yung angle 3 ay equal daw. Ayan. Ano yung magiging reason natin dito? Since ito, ang line segment DE at line segment DF ay equal, yung opposite angles din nila ay equal, which is angle 3 at angle 2. Ano yung reason natin doon? It is isosceles triangle theorem. Konektado siya mismo sa ating statement 1. Nakuha ba? Then next is angle 2. Yan, yung angle 2 natin is an exterior angle of triangle DFG. Ayan, yung triangle DFG natin, yung exterior angle niya ay yung angle 2. Ayan, yung angle 2. Kuha tayo ng pointer para, ayan. Ito, angle 2, yung exterior angle ng triangle DFG. At yung opposite interior angles niya is angle 1. Ayan, yung angle 1. At sabihin natin, this is angle 4. Ayan. Ito yung mga opposite interior angles niya. At since ito yung statement, sinabi niya lang na angle 2 is an exterior angle of triangle DFG. Ano yung magiging reason natin doon? It's the definition of exterior angle. Yun lang yung magiging reason natin doon pag ganito yung ating statement. Okay, next. Yung next statement naman natin ay dapat connected din dito sa statement 3 natin. Ayan. So, yung measurement ng angle 2 ay greater than the measurement of angle 1. Since yung angle 2 kasi, yun yung exterior angle ng triangle DFG. At yung angle 1, yun yung remote interior angle niya. At alam naman natin na yung exterior angle ay laging mas mataas or mas malaki kaysa sa remote interior angle niya. So, ano yung magiging reason natin dito? It's the exterior angle inequality theorem. Nakuha ba? Okay. So, ano nang susunod nating step? Ayan. I-prove naman natin na yung angle 3 ay mas mataas din kaysa sa angle 1. Okay? Ano napapansin nyo? Ito, ginamit natin yung statement 2 dito. Angle 3 is equal to angle 2. Yung angle 2 ay mas greater kaysa sa angle 1. Since yung angle 3 at angle 2 ay parehas, ibig sabihin, the measurement of angle 3 is also greater than the measurement of angle 1. At anong reason yon? It's the substitution property or simply substitution. Okay. And our last statement ay yung ipoprove na natin, which is line segment DG is greater than line segment DE. So, magagamit natin yung statement 5. Since yung angle 3 is greater than angle 1, ano yung opposite side ng angle 3? It's line segment DG, right? At ano naman yung opposite side ng angle 1? It's line segment DF or line segment DE. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, kung mas mataas yung angle 3 natin, yung opposite side niya ay mas mahaba din kaysa sa opposite side ng angle 1. Ayan, nakukuha ba yung ibig kong sabihin? Since mas mataas yung angle 3 kaysa sa angle 1, yung opposite side niya ay mas mahaba din kaysa sa opposite side ng angle 1. So, it is true that line segment DG, ayan, is greater than line segment DE. At anong reason yon? Anong theorem yon? It's the angle side inequality theorem. Angle side yung ginamit natin kasi nga nag-base tayo sa angle 3 at angle 1. At yung prove natin ay single triangle lang, which is triangle DEG. Kuha ba? So next example tayo, number 2. Yung ating given ay angle 5 is an exterior angle of triangle GPS. Ayan. So, syempre, ang unang statement lagi natin ay yung given. Ano yung given natin? Angle 5 is an exterior angle of triangle GPS. At ano yung magiging reason natin? It is simply the given. And by the way, ang i-prove natin is the measurement of angle 5 is greater than the measurement of angle 1. So ito yung ating exterior angle. We have angle 5. Ayan. I-prove natin na mas mataas yung measurement nito kaysa sa angle 1. Okay, for our next statement, i-connect natin yan sa ating first statement na may exterior angle. Ayan. So we have here the measurement of angle 5 is greater than the measurement of angle 4. Makikita nyo na ito yung ating exterior angle. At ano yung remote interior angles niya? Ano yung mga remote interior angles niya? Ayan. It's angle 4 at angle 2. At alam naman natin na yung exterior angle ay mas mataas lagi yung measurement kaysa sa remote interior angles niya. So, angle 5 is greater than angle 4 and angle 5 is greater than angle 2. At anong reason yon? Anong theorem yon? It's the exterior angle inequality theorem. Nakukuha ba? At ano yung sunod nating statement? Ayan. Angle 4 and angle 1 are vertical angles. Ayan. Angle 1 and angle 4 are vertical angles. Since ganun yung statement natin, ang magiging reason lang natin is definition of vertical angles. Kasi sinabi lang naman na angle 4 at angle 1 are vertical angles. So, ang magiging reason natin ay simply definition of vertical angles. Next one, ang fourth statement natin, i-connect naman natin dito sa third statement, which is angle 4 and angle 1 are congruent or are equal. So, alam naman natin na ang vertical angles are always congruent. At ano yung theorem yon? It's vertical angle theorem. Nakuha ba? So, with that statements and reasons, pwede na nating i-prove na yung measurement ng angle 5 is greater than the measurement of angle 1. Ayan. So, ano yung magiging reason natin doon? Since angle 4 is equal to angle 1, gagamitin natin yun ngayon. So, dito, angle 5 is greater than angle 4. Then, angle 5 is also greater than angle 1 kasi nga parehas lang din naman sila dito, yung angle 1 at angle 4. So, anong ginamit natin? It's substitution property or substitution. Uulitin ko, since yung angle 4 at angle 1 ay magkaparehas or congruent, at yung angle 4 dito kanina sa second statement natin, yung angle 5 ay mas malaki siya kaya sa angle 4, ganun din sa angle 1. Mas malaki pa rin yung angle 5 kaya sa angle 1. So, gumamit tayo ng substitution property. Ayan, next. Number 3, yung ating given, ayan. Line segment LM, line segment MO, and line segment NO are congruent. So, magkakaparehas sila. Ito. Lagay tayo ng pointer na pen. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Line segment LM, line segment MO, ayan, MO, and line segment NO are congruent. At i-prove natin na yung line segment OL, ayan, yung line segment OL ay greater than line segment ON. Ayan. So, for our first statement, syempre yung ating given. Ayan, line segment LM is congruent to line segment MO and congruent to line segment NO. At yung reason natin ay given. Okay, for our next statement, angle OML, ito, angle OML, ayan, is an exterior angle of triangle MON. So, yung angle OML, yun yung exterior angle ng triangle MON. Pag ganito yung statement, ano yung reason? It's simply the definition of exterior angle. So next, yung statement 3 natin, i-connect natin sa statement 2. So yung measurement ng angle OML is greater than the measurement of angle ONM. Ayan. Ang angle ONM, yun yung remote interior angle ng angle OML. Ayan. Parehas sila ng MON na angle. Since remote interior angles niya lang, yung ONM, mas greater yung exterior angle. So, ano yung magiging reason natin doon? Basta laging tandaan na yung exterior angle ay mas malaki lagi yung measurement niya kaysa sa remote interior angles niya. Okay? So, ano yung magiging reason? It's the exterior angle inequality theorem. For our next statement, ayan, MON or triangle MON is isosceles triangle. So, itong fourth statement, pwedeng maging pangalawang statement. Pwede yon, kahit maging third itong number 2 statement dito. Pero okay lang din na kahit dito nyo ilagay. Okay? So, triangle MON is isosceles. MON is isosceles kasi nga, two sides are congruent. Ano yung magiging reason? It's simply the definition of isosceles triangle. Nakuha? At ano yung magiging fifth nating statement? Ayan. The measurement of angle ONM, ayan, is equal to the measurement of angle OMN. Ito. Ayan. Ulitin ko. The measurement of angle ONM is equal to the measurement of OMN. Ito. Bakit? Ano na naman itong reason na to? Since yung dalawang sides are congruent, yung opposite angles nila ay also congruent. Nakukuha ba yung ibig kong sabihin? At ano yung reason yon? It's the isosceles triangle theorem. Magkasunod lagi yan, the definition of isosceles triangle and isosceles triangle theorem. Kinonect natin yung ating fifth statement sa fourth statement. And for our sixth statement, angle OML, ito, is greater than angle OMN, ito. Kanina, sinabi natin na yung angle na to ay equal sa angle na to. Ayan, they are equal. Ayan. So, i-prove natin na mas malaki to kaysa dito. Since they are equal, at sinabi natin kanina na yung angle na to, yung exterior angle na to, ay mas greater kaysa dito, then, mas greater din siya kaysa dito sa angle OMN natin. Kasi nga equal sila. Ano yung ginamit nating reason doon? It's simply the substitution property. Nakuha ba? Ayan. At pwede na nating i-prove na yung line segment OL is greater than line segment ON. Yan. Line segment OL is greater than line segment ON. Ano yung magiging reason natin? Okay. So, tingnan nyo dito. Since yung angle na ito ay mas malaki kaysa sa angle na to, tingnan natin yung mga opposite side nila. Ang opposite side ng angle OML is line segment OL. At yung opposite side ng angle OMN ay line segment ON. Since mas malaki itong angle na to kaysa dito, mas mataas din or mas mahaba din yung kanyang opposite angle kaysa dito sa kabila. Nakakuha yung ibig kong sabihin? Anong reason yon? Anong theorem yon? It's simply the hinge theorem. Okay? Kasi ang ginawa natin, two angles yung kinompare natin. Two angles. Ito yung isa, yung opposite angle ng line segment ON, at ito naman yung opposite angle ng line segment OL. Nakukuha ba? Ayan, hinge theorem yung ating reason doon. And for our last example, ayan, mas madali ito. Ito yung ating illustration. Line segment AT is congruent to line segment PE. So yung line segment AT natin is congruent to line segment PE. Line segment TE, yung line segment TE natin, ayan, itong line segment TE, ay mas mahaba kaysa sa line segment AP. Ngayon, i-prove natin na yung angle 4 is greater than angle 3. I-prove natin na yung angle 4 ay mas malaki kaya sa angle 3. So, ano yung mga statement natin? For our first statement, syempre ilagay natin yung itong una muna na given. Ayan. At ang reason natin is simply given. Pwede nyo ding isulat yung given na to. Pwede nyo ding isama dito sa first statement. Pero it's up to you. Pwede nyo siyang ilagay dito sa third statement mamaya kasi kakailanganin natin ito na statement. For our next statement, line segment TP, yan, line segment TP is equal to line segment TP, syempre. Ayan. At anong property yon? It's simply the reflexive property. Okay? Next, gagamitin na natin tong ating next na given. Line segment TE, ito TE, is greater than line segment AP. At yun ay given din. So using this statement, ayan, mapuprove natin na yung angle 4 is greater than angle 3. Paano? Yung line segment TE is longer than line segment AP. At ano yung opposite angle nila? Yung line segment TE natin, ang opposite angle niya is angle 4, right? At ano yung opposite angle ng line segment AP? It's simply angle 3. At sinabi natin na yung line segment TE ay mas mahaba kaysa sa line segment AP. So pag ganun, syempre mas malaki din yung opposite angle niya kaysa sa opposite angle ng isa. At anong theorem yon? Nag-base tayo mismo sa ating line segment or side. At yun ay tinatawag na converse hinge theorem kasi two angles yung remove natin. Nakuha ba? Converse hinge theorem, hindi siya hinge theorem kasi nga nag-base tayo mismo sa line segment. Nakukuha? Okay, that ends our discussion for this week. I hope you have learned something from this video. Para sa mas marami pang halimbawa, basahin nyo lang yung nasa module ninyo. Marami akong binigay na examples dyan. If you have questions, feel free to ask me or message me in my Facebook account. And you can also call me, okay? Happy learning!